In this lesson, we'll see how to change the looks of some of the application's common parts, like the header. Let me show you. You've probably been wondering about this for a while now. Let me show you when we create a web screen. You notice that we already have a structure in our application. If we look here into the widget tree, let me open here the widget tree, you'll notice that the content of our page starts out with a web block. This is the Layout Chicago web block. And inside this web block, we have different areas, these header, menu, title, and so on, and these are what we call placeholders. So there are areas inside this web block where we're going to put some content. And you'll notice again that if we expand here the header placeholder, inside the header we again have another web block, which is in this case the header web block. So this is the common part that we are going to change in this lesson. Okay? And again, we are going to customize this by using some CSS, and we're going to use some images here as well. Let me start by changing the look of the header using CSS. And again, this is a definition that I want to spread throughout my application. So I'll put this definition here on the theme tab, and let me paste it from the clipboard. Okay, so basically what we're saying here is that we want to change that header to have a background color of gray. Okay, and I want to do a little bit more to change this header. I want to have here some image on the background. Okay, so let me import the images that we want to have here, or the image that we want to have here. So import image, and this is the image that I want to have there. Let me just select here. You'll have the preview here, and I want this image to show here on the header. And again, to do this, I'm going to use CSS. So let me open here the style sheet editor, and again, this is a definition that we want to spread throughout our application. Going to the theme tab, and after this one, let me just paste here. We already defined here to use this image that we just uploaded, and if you notice, that image is already present there in the header of our application. Okay, now let me close here the style sheet editor. I still want to do some more things here, and actually what I want to do is to change the logo of the application. And to do that, I will need to drill down into the header web block. So let me double click here. Okay, so this is the header web block, and I want to change this image that we have here. And to change the image, I can go here into the image property, and I want to import a new image. Okay, and I'll use this image. Again, you'll find these images in the resources and the CSS in the resources of this video lesson. Okay, open the branding image, and there you have it. Okay, so now since our image already has the application title in it, I will remove this from here. So select here this link and delete this. Okay, so let's see how this is looking. Okay, it's looking good. Let's publish and see this in the browser. And there we have it. So we have our gray background in the header, we have the images here, and we have a new logo for our application. That's it.